going on, guys? So today we are headed to my buddy Tyler's house. He's a really good friend of mine that I met in college. Him and his dad actually have a shop together as well. This weekend is his birthday, so we're heading up there to see him, hang out. He's got a couple cool cars there. He's got a Camaro with a Turbocharged LS in it. It's pretty sweet, so we're gonna check it all out, and it should be a pretty fun weekend. So we got a 2-hour drive here, and then once we get there, we'll get the car out and start playing around with it. So hang on. Alright, so we made it to Tyler's. And it's already broke. What's going on here, champ?
There's a power steering pump pulley cracked and it started walking.
Jeez.
Then the belt shredded into the...
right there.
Yeah, it started leaking, then it slung the belt.
Alright, we're gonna get her fixed up here. We're gonna get her going. Burnout soon. Think about that, Tyler?
Huh?
What'd you think about that? Burnout was a success, boys. Brand new clutch, broke it in just right. Alright, so we had to stop and get some gas here. I had to get a phone charger. So the first burnout was okay. We're gonna try to, that was first gear. We started out in first gear. Now we're gonna try to go back and start in second gear. These tires, these are Pirellis, so they don't really like smoke very much, but either way, it's pretty fun. So we're gonna try to do another burnout and then maybe a pull or two before it starts raining. It looks like it might start raining here, so she's all gassed up, and we're gonna go out and have some more fun with it.
B driving. I'm a little nervous here. Wait for this car. There you go. Rip into it and slam third. Alright. Get it over and get into 6th. Woo!
So we stopped by Tyler's shop. This is where I actually worked at in college, like I was telling you guys earlier. I would work here during the day, and then me and Tyler went to school together at night. So this is him and his dad's shop. They're in Leipzig, Ohio. So stop by, let the car cool off a little bit. They just repainted this place, looks really nice. So got a lot of hours in this shop wrenching and monkeying on stuff, and this is where we built Tyler's car at. Learned a lot of stuff here at this place when I was in college, man. This was a really fun time for me. This is where I really got to know Tyler and his dad, and yeah, we had a lot of good times here. So we're going to probably take the car back to the house and probably just chill for the rest of the night. So it was a fun day. Car's still doing okay. No major problems, I don't think. The factory 10 bolt is definitely hanging on for dear life. Tyler's got some plans. I think he's gonna put a 8.8, Tyler, right?
What?
8.8.
Rear?
Yeah.
Factory 10 bolt.
No, is that what you're putting in it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Custom Hawks.
Custom Hawks? Is that what it is?
8.8.
Alright, so yeah, Custom Hawks 8.8 is what's gonna go in it eventually. And then it'll be pretty much bulletproof, man. So
Shafts pretty much.
yeah, he's got the Tremec T56 from who?
Tix Performance.
Tix Performance, yep, and a monster dual disc clutch. So that's what he just got put in it, and so that was kind of what we were just testing to see. Just got it all put together. He had to get the clutch balanced because he had a little vibration problem when we first put it in, and had to get a different QuickTime bell housing because it was kind of messed up. But no, other than that, I'm definitely really happy with the car. I know Tyler is for sure. So big plans coming up for it in the future. And then we got the S10. S10 is gonna get the Sonoma. My little Sonoma is gonna get a same thing. Turbo LS is going in that eventually. I got a 5.3 I pulled out of another truck, and we're gonna get that put in it maybe this winter. So we'll see. Okay, so we made it back to the house, guys. It's all fun and games until you gotta try to get the rubber off your bumper. Is she coming off there, champ?
Yeah. No.
We got rubber everywhere in the wheels. This car only has what, 15,000 original miles on it?
Yeah.
2002 with 15K on it, so thing's absolutely mint. But we got to get her out and get her dirty every once in a while. So we had a good time with it. We'll get back to the shop and tomorrow, and we'll keep continuing on that Dodge. Get that thing wrapped up.